Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to install apps on your iPhone on iOS 16. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First off, you have to find App Store app and then open it. There I got App Store icon, but if you can't find it on the main home screen, you can swipe over among all of your home screens, and there you need to find App Store icon. If you still can't find it, you can use search. So just swipe down like that to bring up search, and now you can start typing App Store, and here at the very top it shows, and now I can tap on that icon to go to the App Store. Now, if you opened it first time, you have to log into your Apple ID first to be able to download and install apps. So if there are no your profile icon, you can go to settings, then tap right here at Apple ID, and there you need to log into your Apple ID account first. So after that you can go back to the App Store, and there at the bottom you can find that toolbar where you can find today that means some suggested applications or maybe games or whatever, and there you can also find games category. If you want to install games, there you can find all the games that are sorted in different categories. So you can go through all of that big list and then install any games from here. Also, you can tap right there at apps and then go through that big apps list. They are also grouped in the categories. The same with arcade. I can tap at arcade and scroll through that list, but if you want to get some specific app, you can use search. Just tap at that magnifying glass icon to bring up search, and then let's say I want to install eBay app, so just put in this keyword and then you can select from suggested the app that you want to download. Once it showed up, you can hit right here at that cloud sign. The cloud actually means that I have downloaded and installed this app before, so you can just hit in that way. And now, as you can see, eBay app is being downloaded at my device. Also, you can see at that process right here at your home screen. Now it says loading, and it takes some time depending on app size, so you have to wait until the app will be downloaded and installed. After that, you can use that app. If you haven't installed the app before, you may need to identify that and confirm the installation of the app. Let me show you how it looks like. If the button says get, you can tap on that, and now it asks me to double click to install. So all I have to do is just double click at the power button that located on the right edge of the device. So I made double tap. After that, I need to use Face ID to identify that it's me, and after that the app starts downloading. Once it's downloaded and installed, you can hit at that button where it says open to open up the app, and now you can use it. Also, you can find the app at your home screen, but if you can't find app on the home screen, you can in the same way use search. Just swipe down and start typing app name, and in that simple way you can find that app. Also, you can find applications at the App Center. All you have to do is just swipe over to the very right screen that calls App Library, where you can find all of your apps, even if they are not on the home screen. So you can go through all that folders that creates automatically. There is social folder, utilities folder, photo and video folder, and a lot of other different groups of applications. And in the same way, right here you can can tap at that magnifying glass icon and start typing any app name to find it. If you want to place app icon on the home screen, all you have to do is hold down your finger at that app icon and then you can place it in that way on the home screen. After that, just hit on done and now you can hit at that icon to start using the app. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also check out my iPhone tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one.